like Jackie carry him out, you know.
Miss Robinson.
Yeah,
That Miss Robinson big son.
bro.
They get big though. Why you grew up with a Sri Lankan live?
No, we move on with the guy town now. Bad things are going on there.
Oh wow, my mom said that Sri Lankan, you know. We got to talk to her one day. Yeah, kind of told now. But I'm glad they grew big, look so nice. They grow nice. Give me an ugly arm, tell mom some see you. Look at you. Alright. Oh, that! I mean, Anna. Oh, Anna! You come back quick and fast, see, girl? Yeah, man. What about me doing? Get your hat. Oh, the sun. Now come. Now look for the key. Alright. You know, so now that last is not going to put your so. Oh. Yeah. You come back quick and fast, though, man. You come back fast, though. Why, yeah, man? Probably empty today. They were really empty, but I'm going to go early. How today, then I'm going to go early. Okay. Can you wake up early this morning put you about from 2 o'clock? So what am I say? Yeah, mom, I'm pregnant for true. You're pregnant for true? Yeah, if I'm some stuff, I already know I'm pregnant. Yeah. I remember I never really seen prayer for like 2 or 3 months, you know. I think because I'm beating my stress out, that's right now I come. Yeah. But yeah, man. Come from, you see, that's why some people listen to old people, you know, because I miss Mavis, I said she see it, you know. But when I say no, man, probably I fatty, I get fat, you feel comfortable and sitting. Yeah. So what you going to do? What you going to do? Well, I never tell him because I was a big and I have to tell him. Tell him? Oh, if the girl, you can't tell him. Remember, I said the man ever beat you, girl. Oh, you got to tell him, want him kill the pitney? No, man. Remember, I always want to do it, so I know if we will be able to get maybe I'm going to train. But I maybe still, you know. I feel like say you must tell him. Me wanna tell him. Try to see if you can hide it from him or something. You want him to kill the one youth where you have? The man, remember say the man they use and abuse how much time, you know? You have to use the head, girl. But I have to tell him because you don't want the son or daughter to ask him about them father and don't know. I want him about, even if me not go back with him, I want the baby have a connection with the father, man. Wait until you push it out, then you tell him because he will kill it, he will kill the pitney in your belly. That the man they were always a cuss and a fight, but I want to tell him. Anyway, I'm tired. I'm going to lie down. Come here, so get up. Yeah, girl, you must see good night yourself. I'm not calling.
You hurt me, you did, several times. It hurts to admit that we're no different. I find it hard to commit, but you don't even try. Still I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call it your own?
Man, they are doing everything now.
That one over there, I want 3 1. So not do.
I stop at them now right now.
Be a sin.
I have for them people for man.
Now government take people for either.
We don't take people for them. Stuff you can move slow to this thing. I don't tell you that.
I don't know what.
What can I go on at all? What can I go on at all?
fire now.
Big shot, green plate. Now you can take a thing off fire.
I try to tell it and then I'll stick on it.
Go through murder. Hello?
Benny and me. I'm pregnant, you know.
Where you say go on? You what? Chopper.
Don't mind yourself in the youth with them traffic here, man.
Where you say go on? You what?
You good?
Hold on. You pregnant?
Yo, we don't tell you my youth. Me not trust your wife. Big woman thing. Any woman left for a man for more than a month,
Yeah.
can't trust them my youth. Think about it. You have to know still.
Me coming out still,
Don't mad out
no,
yourself.
I'm not mad still, you see me? But when I say still, me coming out still, no, dog, you see me?
Yeah, we don't know about you. Any woman left for a man for more than a month is another man baby.
Yeah,
just have to-
another man dead, my wife, brother.
No question that, brother. Put one and one together, you must get two.
Yeah, true, you know.
You just have to look on it still, man. I set you up against your wife, you know. You have to know what I'm going.
No, but you make me wise now, because come like me just as so go on, dog.
But you should have said that from day one. You think my woman could have dare say, yo, she left me for a month,
Yeah.
even a week.
Come about 31
I mean,
years
you hear
in a
nothing
month,
from
you know.
her. And then come back and say, yo, she a breed. You must be mad, man.
Yo, dog, watch
You
your
have to
dog.
know
Yeah,
still.
show out, dog.
Yo, be careful,
Yeah,
still.
yeah.
Be careful. But don't tell us, tell it up. But you have to know.
Yeah,
You have to know.